Welcome to this in-depth review of the Leonardo Trading Bot. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about this AI-driven trading software, covering its features, functionality, ease of use, and performance. Whether you're trading crypto, forex, or stocks, an automated system like this can help streamline your trades. But is it worth using? Let's find out. Upon logging into the Leonardo Trading Bot, the first thing that stands out is its clean and intuitive interface. The dashboard provides a real-time market overview, including active trades, historical performance, and various AI-driven insights. Navigation is smooth, making it easy for both beginners and experienced traders to set up and configure strategies. The bot offers multiple trading strategies, including trend following, mean reversion, and arbitrage. Users can customize settings based on their risk tolerance and market preferences. One of the key advantages of Leonardo is its AI-powered decision-making, which analyzes market patterns and executes trades based on preset conditions. This reduces the need for manual intervention, allowing users to take advantage of market fluctuations 24/7. Setting up the bot is straightforward. Users can link their exchange account through API integration, ensuring secure and seamless trading. Supported exchanges include major platforms, offering flexibility across different asset classes. Risk management tools are also available, including stop loss, take profit, and trailing stop features. These safeguards help minimize potential losses while optimizing gains. Backtesting is another notable feature, allowing users to simulate strategies using historical market data before going live. This is especially useful for traders who want to fine-tune their approaches without risking actual capital. The platform also provides performance analytics, breaking down profit and loss metrics, trade history, and other essential data points. Many useful links can be found in the description, so make sure to check them out after watching this video. Regarding pricing, Leonardo Trading Bot offers multiple subscription tiers. The free trial allows users to explore basic functionalities before committing to a paid plan. Higher tier plans provide access to advanced AI features, additional trading pairs, and priority customer support. While the pricing is competitive, it's essential to consider whether the bot's performance justifies the cost. Security is always a concern when using automated trading software. Leonardo implements robust encryption protocols, API key permissions, and two-factor authentication to enhance account safety. However, it's still crucial to use proper security measures on your exchange accounts to mitigate risks. Now, let's talk about real-world performance. Based on user reports and testing, Leonardo Trading Bot demonstrates consistent execution speed and accuracy. However, like any trading system, profits are not guaranteed, and results will vary depending on market conditions and strategy settings. It's important to monitor trades periodically and adjust configurations as needed. Customer support is available via email and live chat. While response times are generally fast, users have noted that more in-depth tutorials and documentation would be beneficial, especially for beginners. There is a community forum where traders share insights, but a dedicated help center with more case studies would be a welcome addition. So, is Leonardo Trading Bot worth it? If you're looking for a user-friendly, AI-powered trading solution with customizable strategies and risk management tools, this bot is a solid option. However, like any automated trading tool, it requires proper setup and ongoing monitoring to be effective. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content on trading bots, strategies, and market insights. Your support helps the channel grow and brings you more in-depth reviews like this. See you in the next video.